However, numerous monetary standards have attacked the much sought-after crypto market. The most talked of and high-positioned are Zilliqa, gzil, which is an ERC20 token. This was the coming of the year 2017, when the chief executive officer of Zilliqa, Mr. Xinshu Dong, and his group concocted this splendid thought of sending off this resource. His thought was upheld by his committed company of advisors and blockchain calculation specialists who rejuvenated this Zilliqa crypto. Allow us to investigate the ongoing subtleties of Zilliqa and comprehend the Zilliqa cost expectation for what's in store. Zilliqa Network is a blockchain network that started in Singapore and was established by Prateek Saxena, Amrit Kumar, Max Cantilia. It embraced the Ethereum blockchain prior to starting its own and is home to many decentralized applications. As a gullible contestant in the venture market around 2018, not many individuals knew all about Zil Cash and were a little fearful about exchanging Zil crypto. A significant benefit of the Zilliqa coin is that you can execute rates as the blockchain network extends, adding to a marvelous expansion in the quantity of diggers. Zilliqa is the first of its sort of open blockchain worked with sharding innovation. It runs a programming language called Scylla and executes pragmatic Byzantine fault tolerance. It can take care of the current issue of adaptability involving its sharding technique as dynamic scaling arrangement. Zilliqa can address endeavor issues as it can deal with a huge volume of exchanges. Upheld by a vigorous and high transfer speed public blockchain stage, the issue Zil has tended to are the openness issues, setting up a half-breed agreement system. For this situation, hub activity is altogether dependent on the proof of work, POS, hash. A special element of Zilliqa is that it can trap fake or misleading exchanges by peers, wherein an affirmed block is fit for following the previous block. Zilliqa depends on cryptographic techniques that are dependent on zero exposure proof and numerical consistency of the whole blockchain empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party associated with the exchange. Thus security snags are captured first. The credit goes to the advancement of Zero Convention by Zilliqa, which is the standard of the whole decentralized finance biological system, which is one more send-off in offing. Zilliqa, Zil. Interesting elements. A notable trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. This discernible quality makes it remarkable contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized finance conventions and simultaneously lays out a plenty of mining roads. According to the authority site, they focus to change advanced foundation across different networks. Subsequently, it wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of Zilliqa tokens as impetuses in executing savvy agreements and move reserves. Besides, it has fostered its own brilliant agreement language called Scylla, by which designers can compose savvy contracts according to a security perspective. Different shards assist with handling an extremely high throughput of exchanges in a savvy, silicon-smooth way with more productivity. Investigation of Zil's historical price movement. The cost journey has been fashioned with shocks combined with exciting bends in the road. The ongoing cost of Zilliqa, Zil, is at $0.058 and it exchanges under a downtrend. The market capitalization of Zilliqa is $719,545,402, with $12,289,142,698 Zil being current flowing stock. Zilliqa cost today is devalued by 20.2% to the cost with which it has entered the year 2022. The last day, i.e., 24-hour cost variance has a through-and-through story to describe. Specialists take on Zilliqa's forecast. While numerous cryptographers have expressed their perspective on cost forecast, Zilliqa against the US dollar, in a plenty, not all are similar. While certain specialists give an uplifting figure, Zilliqa cost expectation, the others end up being a little wary and giving you liberal freedoms. A cost forecast site has given an exceptionally hopeful view about the Zil speculation for the impending years. According to their expectation for 2030, the gzil cost could cross $2.03 and past in the impending years. Gzil cost expectation for 2022 predicts the Zilliqa cost would violated the $0.085 mark continuously and. Going by the moderate pattern and a careful methodology, it appears to be troublesome that the coin would stand firm on its situation, and the gzil cost might exchange around 13 cents toward the finish of 2022. In next 5 years the cost could ascend to a normal of $0.395. Our verdict on Zilliqa coin price prediction. The value forecasts of different specialists don't discourage Zilliqa, gzil, from beating the adversaries using any and all means. The Zilliqa people group has set higher benchmarks for itself in any case. gzil's portion in the crypto world will outperform the assumptions for all financial backers who have found this stage very intuitive and simple. One more significant send-off of Zilliqa's symbolic trade is set to divulge soon, which would be supported by huge numbers of trades. Zilliqa price prediction 2022 to 2026. Zilliqa conjecture and gzil cost expectation diagram has genuinely somersaulted somewhat recently, absolutely changing the pattern from starting towards the year's end. The coin has had a noteworthy excursion over the past year. Gzil coin's pattern has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally hopeful way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for unions. New partnerships and improvement would carry Zilliqa to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially regarded digital money. All the while, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an extreme test for crypto rivals. In light of 1-year verifiable information and market cap improvement, there is even a Zilliqa gauge that the money might concoct its own blockchain stage, progressing itself from Ethereum base, getting enrolled in the significant digital currency trades of the world soon. Zilliqa price prediction 2022. The Zilliqa cost is anticipated to exchange above 8 cents in the year 2022. The normal high of Zilliqa cost is $0.086, while the low is $0.073. The Zilliqa, gzil, cost expectation for the year's end is around $0.082. Zilliqa price prediction 2023. The cost of Zilliqa is anticipated to exchange around $0.095 in the year 2023. The normal high of gzil cost is $0.1, while the low is $0.085. The Zilliqa cost gauge part for the year's end target is around the normal cost of $0.088. Zilliqa price prediction 2024. For the year 2024, the anticipated normal cost of gzil could exchange around $0.099. The normal high of gzil cost is 12